Welcome to Tips and Tricks Tuesday. Today we're going to go over a top to rear vent conversion for our Nova Series line. All wood stoves in our Nova Series line are top and rear vent compatible. They do all ship in the top position. However, it's a very quick and simple conversion to go into the rear. The best application for this would be if you have a tight install spot or, for example, a hearth mount. That's something we're most common. So we'll get started. To get started, our first step is going to be removing all 10 bolts located on the back of the stove for the rear plates. For our second step, we're going to remove the 4 bolts seen here, which hold the flue collar in place through the top position. For our third step, we're going to take our spacer plate and our covering plate, and we're going to cover up the gap that we just created by taking out our flue collar. For our fourth and final step of this conversion process, we'll be reinstalling our back plate and our flue collar in the rear vent position. Now that our conversion process is over, thanks for watching. Make sure you stay tuned for more tips and tricks and more Fire Fridays.